Heartbreak is all too common when children get their hands on a gun. Just recently, we reported on a grand jury in Morgan County deciding not to indict anyone after an 8-year-old boy shot himself. In other cases, though, parents have faced criminal charges. 6 on Your Side legal analyst Greg Isaacs joins us now to talk more about this. Thank you for being here.
Lori, it's good to be here.
You know, let's talk about kids, guns, and the law. First, what is a parent's responsibility when it comes to keeping their child from getting access to a gun?
Well, like alcohol, like cigarettes, under the age of 18, it's against the law in Tennessee to possess a firearm, a crime to provide a firearm. Interesting here, Morgan County, an interesting case where an 8-year-old reports stated was able to get a chair, remove a 9mm firearm from on top of a refrigerator, shot himself in the shoulder. And that case was taken to the grand jury by the prosecutor's office. Charges of aggravated child abuse and neglect were sent. And the grand jury, after hearing what happened, issued a no true bill, which, as we talked about last week, very rare, but they felt the parents did not do anything wrong. Now, conversely, what we're seeing nationally, and we're seeing here in Knox County in Tennessee, prosecutors are stepping up cases against parents for providing guns to kids or not securing guns from kids.
Well, the numbers are there. It's happening to more and more kids, and we have a higher rate of this happening than other states.
Tennessee has a 36% higher rate of unintentional shootings involving children. Since the beginning of the year, 18 unintentional shootings with kids, 6 fatalities. So a serious problem. Now, you know, nationally, look at what we see in Virginia. A 6-year-old brought a firearm to school and shot his teacher.
Yes.
Michigan, a adolescent brought a gun to school. The school had actually called the parents and said this child is fixating on guns.
So many red
hearing
flags.
Voices, red flags.
Yeah.
The parents came, put the kid back in school, did not take the firearm. They got it from Christmas. 4 people were shot and killed. Those parents are facing involuntary manslaughter charges.
Let me ask you this. Where does a parent's liability end when it comes to guns?
Well, you know, it's interesting because, for example, prosecutors are charging child abuse, aggravated child abuse for children with guns that would result in shootings, reckless endangerment, negligent homicide. And basically the law is this. Are you consciously disregarding a risk that is substantial, that was unjustified, that an ordinary person wouldn't do? So that's, I mean, it's common sense. You keep guns, don't have them loaded in your house, keep them away from children. Now, 25 states have secure storage requirements. But we're not one of them.
Yeah.
Governor Lee had that requirement in his omnibus safety bill. Unsure of whether that's going to pass, but common sense. But Lori, who would have thought that there are more children killed with guns than in fatal car wrecks here in Tennessee and the United States?
Just so tragic. Greg, thank you for being here.
Good to be here.
And if you have a legal question, send it to AskIsaacs@WATE.com. And remember, we talk with Greg every Wednesday at 5:30 right here on WATE 6 on Your Side.